Want to give your team access to TikTok Shop without sharing your login? Here's how to activate user permissions on TikTok. So first, you're going to log into TikTok Seller Center. You're going to go into your little top right-hand corner, My Account, Account Settings. Next, you're going to go to User Management right here. Click on that. And this is where you give access to users. Click on Add User and then give them a role. There's a lot of different roles. You can click on Need Help if you want to see the descriptions of each role, but you're going to give them a role and then your email address and then their default language. As of right now, it only has English, but there you go. And then give them a role and click Submit. Once you click Submit, it's going to almost instantly email them, and they're going to get an email that says activate your account as a shop user. Your TikTok Shop is applying to add you as a user. You can use user account to log into TikTok Shop. Pretty much they just click this button right here. It's going to ask them to set up a password. Just like this, they're going to put in their new password, and then it's going to be successfully activated. After that, they can log in, and then they're going to have access, separate access to your TikTok Shop. The best part about this is it's going to say something like this. It's going to say active. And then what you can do is edit their permissions. So you can downgrade their permissions. You can deactivate them and then reactivate them whenever you want. So you don't have to like completely send a new user requests. Or if you just don't want them ever on your account, you can completely delete them, right? So these are 3 different options. Pretty awesome. And that's how you give user permissions. There's also tutorials and help in the top left corner if you still have questions, but you can always practice with a separate email and do it yourself. But that's it for today's video. If you want more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you are a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full TikTok account management service. This is where we're going to be fully managing your inventory, your TikTok SEO, your design, calling and contacting TikTok for you to fix issues, managing your affiliate program so you get more product out, and helping increase your sales. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on your business and expanding your TikTok business while we're doing the day-to-day operations. We're going to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.